How to download and install the Capital One mobile app on iPhone? Easy. Want to manage your Capital One account on the go? Downloading and installing the Capital One mobile app on your iPhone is quick and easy. I'll guide you through the simple steps so you can get started in no time. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the blue icon with a white A on it. Tap on it to open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Capital One Mobile and press Enter. Look for the official Capital One app. It should have the Capital One logo on it. Next, tap the Get button next to the app. You may be asked to confirm your download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Confirm, and the app will start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, you'll see the Capital One app icon appear on your home screen. Tap on it to open the app. If you already have a Capital One account, you can log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Capital One, you can easily set up your account right from the app. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed the Capital One mobile app on your iPhone. Now you can manage your accounts, pay bills, check your balance, and much more, all from the convenience of your phone. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.